A single handball changed the course of an entire Olympic final forever. This controversial moment occurred during a critical Olympic handball match. The stakes were astronomically high, with a gold medal hanging in the balance. Fans worldwide watched intently as the game reached its fever pitch. The tension was so thick you could practically cut it with a knife. A player, under immense pressure, made a split-second decision. This decision would soon ignite a firestorm of debate across the sports world. Imagine a chess match, but played at breakneck speed with your entire body. That's the intensity of elite Olympic handball, demanding precision and power. The rules are complex, involving intricate passing, strategic defense, and powerful shots. Players are incredibly athletic, leaping high to throw the ball with immense force. Goalkeepers are titans, blocking shots that seem absolutely unstoppable. But one specific rule, the 7-meter throw, became the eye of the storm. It's a one-on-one duel between shooter and goalkeeper, blocking shots that seem absolutely unstoppable. The shooter stands 7 meters from the goal, with only the keeper between them. This situation guarantees a high percentage scoring opportunity for the attacker. It's a moment where the game's outcome can truly be decided. However, what happened next was far from a typical 7-meter throw scenario. During a crucial moment, a player appeared to deliberately violate a key rule. He stepped over the line before releasing the ball, a clear infraction. This mistake, however, went unnoticed by the officiating referees at the time. The ball soared into the net, a seemingly game-winning goal. But that's not the strangest part of this entire unfolding drama. Post-game analysis, using slow-motion replays, revealed the undeniable error. The broadcast footage clearly showed the player's foot crossing the line prematurely. This evidence sparked outrage among opposing fans and sports analysts alike. Was it a genuine mistake or a calculated risk that went unpunished? The integrity of the game itself came under intense scrutiny. Many argued that the outcome was tainted by this single overlooked call. It sparked conversations about the fallibility of human referees. The pressure on officials during such high-stakes games is immense. VAR, or video assistant referee, wasn't as widespread then, exacerbating the issue. This controversy led to calls for greater technological intervention in sports. It highlighted how one tiny infraction can have massive repercussions. The debate raged on for weeks, dividing the sport's passionate fan base. Some defended the player, citing the pressure and speed of the game. Others demanded accountability, emphasizing the importance of fair play. Wait until you hear what comes next in the aftermath of this incident. The losing team lodged a formal protest following the match. However, the decision of the referees on the field was ultimately upheld. This meant the controversial goal stood, and the result remained unchanged. The medal ceremony proceeded, but the air was thick with lingering questions. The impact rippled far beyond just that single game scoreline. It became a classic case study in sportsmanship and officiating. The incident served as a stark reminder of the fine line between victory and defeat. It fueled discussions about the inherent drama and unpredictability of sports. The memory of this moment continues to be debated by handball enthusiasts. It teaches us that even the smallest details can have monumental consequences. This single handball incident etched itself into Olympic lore forever. If you found this gripping sports controversy fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. What do you think about the referee's decision or the player's action? Let us know in the comments below your thoughts on this contentious moment. We love hearing your perspectives and engaging with our viewers. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.